boy thing. After me ain't got me on that right to my name in that paper, let me tell you something. Adams is me that tonight, me have to go, me a bad man, me not afraid of nobody. Real bad man thing. Read him. How you feel like? How you feel like? What is him? What is his name? You tell them I'm the gentleman and the real gentleman and all they don't go man. You tell them it's again. Hello, sir. What's the man? Hold on. Hold on. You sound a bad man. I'm not police. And I'm doing a fucking bad. Redeem. One bad man that make me shot, you know, you make me shot, you know, waste bullet pump. So, I don't want to cause no bad word, you know. Hold on it. Police, come here. Come here, police. Sit up here. What's here? Yeah. I want to consider with the little spin barrel, you're sitting with the good old thing like a funnel. We are coming up here and going beyond. Here the ninja go! Here the ninja go! And here's the power! Me a create history. Me a bad man. You know me bad. Adams can't go for me gun them. And me can't want to give them their give them to ya. Adams, where you let me say Adams? Come in. Stop me with him. Stop me with him. If I need one, I'm going to come for you. No more sure. Come here, show us a real bad man police. What? Mr. Adams.
I'm that. Wait.
You got caught.
Never know.
You got an idea. What? No real gunshot? Yes. Who are these? No real magazine? Election is coming, the fear is now sounding, corruption's the highest we've seen. Politicians campaigning, the shots negotiating down, are flowing easily. The go-go's are flowing, the ghetto responding, and guns all over our street. Something get up running, but reason's not coming, and the poor have to suffer and weep. When the signal jump around, my bad man police, no? The man them from Tivoli. The man them from Washington again. You will tell the truth, Mr. Adams. You will tell the truth from their face. Adams, you don't like us and we don't like you. But that won't solve the problem. Mr. Adams, what do you get, you know? Yeah. Where's the about you have a post and type on me and kill me this morning? You're not kill me. I bet you have to DJ this morning. 100 man you have. And them 100 man you have food to them. You have 60 million man and woman when you have to tell you this morning you have to DJ. Alright. I'm going to show you the game side and we're going to go wild though. I'm going to show you the game is going to go wild. We give a 8-year runner-back, a M16, and a Mach 11. I'm carrying this one from him on stage, and when I give me say, Adams, here is my gun. Take my AK and 16 and one. But leave my Beretta, I have got more than that to settle with a Adams, tell the people why you come on the stage and come for this gun. And when me and you and the Jamaica government and the people them in the community decide to do, the elderly youth have to stop the gun killing and stop even you from walk and shoot bad man. Because when you face bad man, you have to kill them, you have to raise them and turn them in the police and soldier.
Alright, Brother Ninja, I want to take this opportunity to say thanks for what you have done. I hope other people will follow. But you know, the main reason is that the children are dying, women are dying, men are dying, people are dying, blood is flowing in the street. And I highly appreciate what you have done this morning. I hope other people will follow.
Alright, Mr. Adams. Listen, we'll give a round of applause. Mr. Adams, Mr. Adams, I am the original from T2, T1, T10 down, and I've made the first effort to show you that we, the bad man, we're willing to give up crime if we don't give out amnesty for guns.
Yes, we will do that. All who has a gun or guns to be delivered, you can do so without any repercussions. You won't be charged. We will accept it. No fine, nothing at all. You're free to do so anytime. This evening, this morning, anywhere.
Well, Mr. Adams, hear what I say. We're not talking about giving the guns them alone. We want you to talk to Pete here. We want you to talk to the commissioner and tell him, say, real bad man, Ninja man, have turned over and gun here this morning, fasting in front of the whole Jamaica. And the whole of my friend them decide to live in a peace, love and unity. Because we like how Pete here fix up the country and see how God help defend it. We like our country around and we don't want no more gun. So me I tell us, right now, Mr. Adams, go on, you tell you them, say, if them have a gun, we will give them a job and find food for them picnic and stop them from going rob and thief and see that they have to go to look a broken body house and you not have to take over the gun and look at them. Because we live in a free mood together, not only right now. Oh, yeah! Now, come on, y'all get man. Tell it right now. Jesus walk on me, he walk on me. I know. My Lord, yeah, we don't know anything, yeah. When my way drawing near, precious Lord, linger near. Let me see by the light of the moon. Hear I cry, hold on. Beside them, you want to get pussy? Yes. Yeah, man, like your brother this man, I'm thinking him so. Never see over Whitney Houston tune. Never see over Maya Carey tune. Yes, you know about hard Kelly tune. How many done sing that tune and say, I feel so happy now. Yeah, you feel like a Christian jam. That's all the big name. Come on, the big name and this one, boy.
Yo, John World. Yes, the brother Desmond does baptize the stardust. Say no, make we know this in the mind. Come down the sun, right from the come. Trouble me papa, so I say, so me tell them if I want, I don't want to make it so. If somebody, the mystery, the money goes wrong. Something is when I'm the most in the wrong. Something is not like this, but I'm not true. Let me know say my hand up. Now then pump your peace, me try to rock the mystery. Them drum, them must be deep, see now. I don't watch out. Good morning! So, who get the most right? Come on, Tim! And the most lie. Come on, Tim! Who the government office like? Come on, Tim! Go, everything I know. Who them select Batman eye? Who the fast who will them eye? Who them select the crime high? Bounty, everything I know. So, if you hear me most, money na me song. You don't see no money na me hand. Tell the shot of them. Bury the weapon. Don't take no more gun from no politician. So, if you hear me say we kill Matty man, then that's in the red. Kill yourself if you want one. No man, don't kill line down with no man. Who get the most man? And the most man. Who the government? Yo. Sit up there, sir, man. Over here. Come on, guys, see. Next with him, yo. John World, Baltimore, City Parliament, Dainty Jungle, Strongers, Waterhouse, Gully Youths. Let them know. What's the one about you on the water? What's in the left for the champion? Children start, come and stay told me story. You must know, you know, let me know. Next one, you go back to West. You don't turn that one, then you'll get this back up. Yo, me love all Jamel. Look again. Yo, give it up for yourself, people. Let me see how I put on the thumbs up, son. You know why the show looking like this? Because this is the most devoted promoter. And the most dedicated promoter to an event. All when him not the artist, him not swamping show and the run the promoter other one. He put him all in night. Why do I my fans have to wait for the last? I know.
Them have this saying, so save the best for last, but me I come from way a rapper best. Me no one never show. Me can't get early night. Right now them get rock the class. Bounce rock the blast. None of them the party man, no him rock the class. Them say rock the fast. No see them me. Don't carry on the game, one of them get all loud. These them so hot, so rock the north. One of them I want to watch. Some words are ultra fast. What that to us? Me and them jumping from the party man last so. Then you hear Mr. Rowdy Brown. Come in here with your reaction. That is I don't get a this. I'm the reach of us. Here I hear the yard. Thank you now. Good man, your body like a protective pillow. Kill up enough, you love, but then we talk like a pillow. Here I hear the yard. Kill up, read. Kill up, kill nigga. Check out the machine, I love my time and then sugar. Nigga. Real killer, blue steel killer. You kill no matter ask what's if you killer. Bombs and rolls, how many shots? Killer. Me have a sickness doctor can't heal killer. Me a broad killer, number one killer. I am the big merciless, the baby shout killer. Take that whole cover, what a one killer. What up? Yo, you hear me in my bar about DJ on contract in some. Actually, yes, and then down a record, so I couldn't panic. Baby, you're on God. Last year you should have over here. When you run, go see God. Bad man, chichi man. You disrespect me. Me and you talk about the most poverty in the dance. Better understand me, I'm pussy world. I'm the like fine artist. I'm in but a rampant body. I want to rampant. I'm in a play with. What? Oh, come on, you. Between them and home, there is some kind of rejection. Go say something. When you can red hair, keep that on for the next. One more got some kind of happy way. It was a young station, no good. But in our bones, it come red hot. Jumpers are telling what we need. When we go to watch him on fire. We don't keep our own banner. I'll call him to that for us. We can get it. Free. Never. But, let me tell you, particular is a youth with us. In West Side, in a bar of people things. Big up to the bigger brothers, Shabba, Buju, Inspiration, and all the fellow artists. But some man feel cool. Would have bite on the style and God bless them up. On the reach and forward of me. Because we don't support that territory in the inner. Me burn out faggot is straight up. If I get up on BT in the morning, get up on BH1 in the morning. I'm going to tell you something. Me not come here to pick no war this morning. But being the go on interview and say me, forget gunshot. Real dead. Me not wish no artist to lose their life or no people. Oh man, I go on some bad man and I'm starting to up on bomb people. So I for respect where I come from. So when me say, Bounty Killer come back and say,